Hello guys, on this video we are going to talk about the PS4 controller not connecting issues. So guys, this is a very common issue with the PS4 controllers. You are trying to connect it to the PS4 or at any charger and no lights will come out. Not the yellow light for the charging, not the blue light for connecting the PS4, or not even the white light to trying to reconnect to any device. So on this video you will see how simple it is to fix this issue. So let's start fix the issue. First flip the controller, then you will see 4 screws. We will open it right now. Take a magnetic surface or just a little box to store the screws. Those screws are very small. To open them up you will need a PH00 bit. If you don't have this kind of bit, I will link in the description below my toolkit so you can purchase them, and do not worry about any other screws because they have a lot of different bit sets and so much more useful tools. Now we will need to separate the two parts of the controller. You can do it by your hand or take a flat screwdriver or any metal flat tool that will help you to open it. Do it very gently, the controller parts are very fragile. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Please remember to subscribe to see more guides like this one. I'm changing the angle of the camera so you can see better. Here you can see the connector cable. You will just need to pull it out by holding the blue attachment. To get to the charging port, you will need to release the 3 parts before we can get to the charging port, so just follow my guide on how to take them out. If you have a different PS4 controller model that not looks like mine, this fixing method will still work for you, but the parts will just look different than mine. On the charging port we will have 2 screws that we need to unscrew them. The screws are the same size like before, PH00, but those screws are not long as the screws before, so keep them in a different place. Now you can easily remove the charging port from the controller. We're going to plug a new charging port with a new cable. This is the new charging port. I will leave in the description below the links that you can buy the same charging port. Mine is the model JDS011. You can see that it's written on the charging port. So make sure to look at the old charging port first and then compare it and buy the new one. Now with the new port, just plug it into the PS4 and then let's start to screw it up. Let me know in the comment below if you've been able to find your charging port model. If you are still struggling to find the same model, you can look on the sticker on your PS4 controller and just Google it up. In any case, I'm always here to help you guys. Put back the 3 parts to the controller case. If you lost any one of these parts, the PS4 controller will still work, you will just have a leak in the LED lights. This will not affect your gaming quality at all, don't worry guys. The last part is a little bit tricky. Make sure you put in the left edge first and then the right. Push it a little bit to make sure it sits well. Now we will want to reconnect the connector cable. Make sure you put the connector cable till the end without distorting it. Please be very gentle on this part. This cable is the most important thing on the PS4 controller. Make sure to use the blue attachment. Now we can close the tool half of the PS4 controller. First close it from the front and make sure you're hearing 2 clicks. It can take you some time, don't rush and break anything, just do it slowly. Now you will need to close it from the downside, you will need to hear another 2 clicks. Make sure the PS controller is closed and clear. Now we are moving to the screws. I recommend you to screw them one by one and do it slowly because you don't want to push on anything or just to break anything. Take your time guys. After we screw all the things up, let's plug it into the cable. And that's it, we have the yellow light. The PS4 controller is now charging. Thank you very much for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up and I hope to see you in the next video.